Okay, y'all, I just received a very exciting package. I've covered up my address over here. This was totally unplanned purchase, totally unplanned. So I'll go ahead and show it to you and then tell you the story behind it. In case you're just here to see the unboxing, I'll do that first. Okay, I have no idea if he packaged it. Oh yeah, he packaged it good. Awesome. Here's my unboxing. Oh my gosh. I haven't gotten anything from there in a long time from Louis Vuitton. And so this is my first purchase with the new packaging. That's exciting. Okay, I don't know if I think it's just going to be in here in the bag. Hope there's a dust bag. Oh, it's got a sticker. Okay. You know what? I'm just going to do it like this. Now, I bought this. Obviously, we don't have a Louis Vuitton in Alabama, but we do have a... Oh, gosh. Where did I get this? Let me look at the guy's card. It just says Louis Vuitton. Oh, the Birmingham Saks Fifth Avenue store. Anyway, you can't read that. I don't think it's focusing because I don't have enough light. But anyway, there's a Saks Fifth Avenue in Birmingham, and they have a Louis Vuitton boutique inside. Oh, I'm so distracted. It has a Louis Vuitton boutique. Now, this particular purse, y'all, I have been thinking about for many years, like ridiculous amount of time. And then lo and behold, I went online one time to look at it, and it was discontinued, or it was not available. It hasn't been available in the past year and a half that I've looked. So I went in Louis Vuitton that day just to look around. I was just window shopping and looking at different things to see if there's anything new. And I happened to start talking to this guy. This says, actually, it says client advisor instead of SA, sales associate. His name's Michael Tatum. He's awesome. Anyway, we chatted for a while, and I said, you know, there's a purse I've always wanted. It's not in stock anymore. So Michael said, let's put you on the waiting list. If one pops up from anywhere, you are first in line. And I'm like, really? And he goes, yeah, but he was very not thinking it would happen. 2 weeks later, he called me, and it was he had it for me. What I thought was, oh, it's made in Paris. I'm excited. This must have come from Paris because it was not available on the website. What he told me was that he would call around, you know, he had me on the official list, and he would call me if one came available. When he called me, he said, the order I put in for you is here. It's ready for you to pick up. I mean, I didn't know, like, he legit ordered it to come to his store. I thought he was going to call me and say, do you still want it? So when he called, Scott said, you have to get it. You have to get it. I keep holding it wrong. Anyway, this is exciting. It is the pochette what do they call it? Pochette accessoire. I absolutely have been wanting this, especially since we moved to the beach, because this is the perfect little bag to go to dinner or to whatever, because it's the light color. I also have bought a gold chain to go on it in case I don't want to use this one. And I've got a gold chain crossbody bag that I can use with, a crossbody chain that I can use with this, because this strap is removable, as I'm sure all of you know. You can take it right off, and then you can attach a gold chain or whatever other kind of strap you want. I'm sure the inside is yellow. At least that's what I remember, y'all. I really actually, oh yeah, it's a gold color inside. Yeah, just like I've seen. And this is the new model, they've said, because it has a pouch in it. Now, I don't know what this is. So this is the first, not only is it the first new packaging I've had, it's also the first of this print, and probably the only that I will get of this print, because I know you have to be more careful. You have to watch for transfer. I got to shoot a quick picture of it to Scott. He's at work. at the other town we live in. So, oh, this is so exciting, y'all. I'm really excited. Can you tell I've said the word exciting like 100 times? Okay, I went ahead and loaded it up so I could show you what fits inside in case you're curious. There's a million unboxings on this purse, so don't mind me. But anyway, there's my phone. I've got my wallet, my sunglasses, my car key that I never have to get in and out. It was in this, but sometimes I take it out of this. I could also use this as a wallet with some folded up cash and a couple cards. That's really all I need. But I have my bigger wallet in here, my sunglasses, my house key, and my car key, and my phone. And I think there's and there's a lipstick in here too. So yeah, I mean, what else do you need? Your wallet, your phone, your sunglasses, your keys, and your lipstick. Anyway, I just wanted to kind of show y'all that, and now I'll give you some measurements. If you are looking for one of these, do not give up. I mean, I was the only person, I think, in the world. I don't know, maybe the United States. Maybe just their boutique. I'm not sure. From the bottom, from edge to edge, yeah, 9 inches exactly across. Height is about 5 inches tall, and then the width is about 2 inches or so. So it's a good little size. It's a great starter piece if you've never had a Louis Vuitton. It's a great starter piece because it's a great little, just a great little everyday bag unless you're the kind that carries a lot of stuff with you. And as I told you, I've just kind of changed from doing that. So I'm so excited and it looks so cute. And yeah, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and have a good day. Bye.